So here we have this WORKPRO 2-in-1 folding utility knife. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me for free, but the opinions in this video are my own. Here's the knife, looks pretty cool. There's a couple different options for the handle. You can see I went with the wood. It has a simple modern look to it, I like it. And then in here, there's 10 extra blades. They have a nice case that makes it really easy to slide one out. They're just standard box cutter blades, nothing special. Back to the knife, it has a belt clip on this side, super useful. Then you can open it up. There's the box cutter. It's made out of metal, so it's pretty strong. Doesn't seem like it's gonna break on me. Switching out the blades, pretty simple. You just push up on this, then pull the blade out. Then you can flip it over and put it back in, or put a new one in. And it just locks into place. Then just press this lever here, then you can close it. Now on the other side, you can flick out the actual knife blade. It's about a 3-inch blade. Nice and sharp. Of course, you just press this lever to close it. I like the thumb stud, makes it super easy to open one-handed. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool that you get the option of both a utility knife and just a regular knife in the same handle. That can definitely come in handy when you need it. And yeah, overall, just a pretty cool knife. The only thing I will say is that it's just a bit thicker than your standard knife handle. But of course, it has to be that way to fit both of the blades. Not a big deal. Overall, just a really cool little knife. Would make a great gift for you or someone else.